Hello friends, welcome to the PK tutorial. For your better experience, please subscribe the PK tutorial and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification. If you have any doubt, ask me on Instagram. Hi friend, in this video we will make it different kind of summary according to our requirement in RStudio. Today we will make it 3 summary. First is how to get sum of salary according to city wise. Second is how to get mean of salary according to city wise. And third is how to get median of salary according to city wise. This is our raw data. Here is 7 column and 15 rows. Firstly, we will make it how to get sum of salary according to city wise. I write down library Dplyr, run this library. After then salary sum and df is our data frame. After then group by on city. We delete it. After then summarize. Here is column name is our salary sum and sum df dollar salary, and delete it and run this. So we will get it city wise sum of salary. After then how to get mean of salary according to city wise. So write down salary mean df data frame group by city. After then summarize salary mean equal to mean salary, and run this. We will get second data frame mean of salary according to city wise, and third is how to get median of salary according to city wise. So salary median df data frame group by on city. After then summarize the data salary median. This is our column name and here is median and salary. We run this code again, so we will get it median of salary according to city wise. So this is the method that we will get mean of salary, median of salary and sum of salary. I hope you understand it. Friends, if you have any query related to this video, then comment us on comment box and follow us on Instagram. Please like this video and subscribe the PK tutorial. And please share this video with your friend. Thank you very much. Keep watching.